Hey guys, it's Rylan McMustache and welcome back to another fantastic video. So as you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be teaching you all how to make a DIY bird feeder. So I've done DIYs in the past, how to make a DIY snow globe and how to make a DIY book safe, but I decided to do something more environmentally friendly, like a bird feeder. And this is a great way to recycle as well as get rid of some old food that you weren't eating. So, anyways, let's get started. So, the things that you will need to create this DIY bird feeder are a plastic bottle, empty bottle, maybe a smart water bottle, whatever, with the cap and everything, just empty. A Sharpie, some twine, rope, or string, but durable string, because we're going to be hanging this with the string. A plastic or paper plate, any kind works. A box cutter. Be sure to be very careful. Warning, just warning. Parental supervision is recommended. And the last item you will need is some food. I just got pretzels because it was convenient. But anyways, let's get started. So for the first step, you're not going to worry about any of those other things. You're just going to worry about these three things: the box cutter, the Sharpie, and the water bottle. So what you're going to do is you're going to trace, like with your Sharpie, a line around the water bottle that's about 4 or 5 inches, maybe more. It depends on how much food you're putting in your feeder. But actually, no, it doesn't even really matter how much. More than 3 inches, I'd say. 3 inches is only like that much, and the birds need more room. So, see you when that's done. Okay, so I am now done with that. And I forgot to mention, I think you guys can see it, yeah. When you get down towards the bottom, try to make a cut that's not quite at the bottom, but like a centimeter away from the bottom, because we don't want all the food to pour out that we put on our plate later. So, yeah, I'll see you guys once this is cut. So, now as you guys can see, my bottle has been cut, and it was surprisingly easier than I thought it would, guys. I mean, come on, look at this. It hardly even took me a minute to do it. Don't do that to your table. Yeah, it hardly took me a minute to do that though, and look how amazing that is. And don't worry if the lines aren't perfectly straight. I definitely messed up a time or two, or 3 or 4, while I was making this, but you can just have a whimsical bird feeder. So I guess that means we are on to our next step. So, yeah, if you don't want to put the box cutter knife away, you don't have to, because we're still going to be using that later. But for the next step, you are going to need the paper plate and some glue, rubber cement, or anything. And I forgot to grab rubber cement, so I'll see you guys once I have that. So I am back with my rubber cement. I can't believe I forgot that. But yeah, this next step's kind of obvious. You're going to take the rubber cement and glue it on the bottom of here. And make sure to be careful with this, because if you get this on a table or anything, it can really stick. So yeah, I'll see you guys when mine is glued. So my plate has some rubber cement glue on it. Not sure if you guys can see it, but yeah, you guys can see it. It's on there, and now I'm going to position my smart water bottle. So while you're placing your water bottle down, make sure to press down very hard, and yeah, you're just going to wait a while, and once you let it go and tap it and find that it's not going to fall right over, that's when you know you can let go and it is a-okay for the next step. I also forgot to mention that while doing this, it's also very nifty while you're waiting for your thing to dry, whatever direction. You're waiting for your thing to dry. You make the thing to hang your bird feeder on. If you don't want to hang your bird feeder and you just want to set it down, then this step is completely unnecessary. But I'd recommend hanging it up somewhere because what if it tips over? So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to do this step. So again, parental supervision is recommended, but I'm a rebel. So what you're going to do, and be very careful with your blade, okay? What you're going to do is you're going to stick a hole right in the middle. It's like keep twisting and twisting until it goes through. Oof, okay. And you'll hear it once it goes through, so you'll know. But it's always good to just do it a bit more just to be sure. And I will see you guys once this is fully cut. Okay guys, so I have cut my bottle, and as you can see right there, kind of a big hole compared to like my fingernail. But so now what we're going to do is we're going to pull out our string or twine, whatever you're using. So to do this, what you're going to do first is you're going to weave it through this way, or the cap is on the top and it comes out this way. And then what you're going to do is you're going to tie it around, in a knot preferably, but if you feel confident that yours will not fall over by only doing it once like this, go ahead. But I'm going to do it twice just to take extra precaution. Okay, so now my thing is done. I like it. And oh wait, we can't have it attached to this now, can we? So what you're going to do, you can use scissors if you want. I forgot to grab scissors, so I'm just going to use this. And this is going to mainly be judged on like how high you're hanging your feeder from. I'm hanging mine pretty high, so I'm actually going to take quite a bit of twine. And remember, you're also going to need a bit extra to tie yours up too. So this should be good. I'll move all my stuff over here and then slice it. Ah, there we go. See? Easy as pie. So big. Well, yeah, now that is done with, we're going to put our stuff back over here and bring back our trusty bird feeder water bottle. That stuck this time. So the next thing that you're going to do is you can base it however you want, but now you're just going to you're going to twist the bottle cap on to your bottle very carefully. This might take a few tries, but I'll see you guys when it's done. Yeah guys, it's on. It's on pretty well. But yeah. Now the last and final step is you're going to fill up your bird feeder with your food. It can be any food you want that birds can eat. Please try to make it something birds can eat, because if it's not, then that's not going to end up well, and you don't want a bunch of dead birds in your backyard or front yard, wherever you choose to hang this. So try to make it bird-friendly food. I know pretzels aren't the most bird-friendly, but they can still eat them, so wait, don't quote me on that. But yeah. I don't think that was enough, so I'm going to add a bit more. Be right back. I've got the pretzel container of pretzels with me. And no, I'm not going to be cutting this because it is too many pretzels to spare. But I will be opening this and putting more pretzels in. So now that I have this untwisted, I'm going to add in a bit more. Ta-da! So now this bird feeder is completely finished, and I left a space for birds are welcome. I'm not going to tilt this because all of it's going to fall out, but if you guys were watching earlier, then you would have seen that I had written birds are welcome right here. So, and I made the pretzels surrounding that. And remember, this is eco-friendly. You're recycling with water bottles. You're using a plate and everything. And yeah, I guess that's all I have for you guys today. Leave a comment down below what you would like to see me do next. Any challenges, DIY, thoughts, or even just a regular comment. I'll try to be replying to you guys as best as I can. But for now, I will see you guys later. Bye. Peace.